Wale nto sengingayisisina kumina.
Yini?
Le ngaphansi kwebhoji.
Yes, hayi ngalanga bese ngingcolisa. Azisho. Isandla siyashesha mafoti. Sit. Yabona mamrabhi iqolo. Wenza ngathi mrabhi iqolo. Qinisa. Ayiqinisa. Njengoba mamrabhi iqolo. Uqinisa siyaqina.
Phela insimbi le iqola lona insimbi.
Hayi Qinisa girl.
Wale nto sengingayisisina.
It looks like Umacele has found herself a new bestie in Osamke. You have just seen a video of Samke and Macele washing a pot. Anyway, guys, ziyashisa indaba zasemzombe because Umacele has just released isigaxa about Umakhumalo that she had a child previously before she met Umusa Mseleku. Now, most people from Umzombe had this to say about Umakhumalo. First of all, I want to put it out there that this is not me, this is alleged, okay? Allegedly, this is what is being said by Uthobile. And someone from Facebook wrote this comment. Tina esikhule noThobile siyamazi wayeyisifebe sendawo ehamba ehlala eqoma endaweni eshintsha abafana. Umseleku wawuqoqa uThobile cause wayengalawuleki kwake kwaba ihlazo nje ukuthi uMusa ungenelwe yini ethandana nesifebe sendawo wawuqoqa until abe umuntu ohloniphekile. Umacele akawaqambi amanga. Ipasti kaMakhumalo yimbi kakhulu kwamadlala okubuhlungu izimanga zakhe ubezigila kubuka umphakathi even ukumitha wamitha twice esikoleni eDlangaswa efeyila futhi. Umseleku wazi kahle ukuthi uThobile wamthatha kubaba wengane yakhe uThami Ngcobo next door wabo boyithu kuningi nje musani ukusukela uMacele akawaqambi amanga. Yay, Sana, this comment had me on chokes. It had me on chokes because what is this? But also, guys, everyone have their own past, okay? Everyone have their own past. So what if Uthobile was a problematic child, you know? Probably she was going through adolescence. It's, you know, adolescence hits us differently. However, guys, one thing that we also need to note is that Thobile's dad just celebrated his 50th birthday, right? If I'm not mistaken, Thobile posted her dad celebrating a 50th birthday, of if not 51, between the two. So according to me, Thobile's dad have or rather is same age with Umusa. Umusa also was celebrating 50 just last year. So they are same age. And also it is alleged that when Thobile's father find out about a relationship Makhumalo and Umusa, he was angry, as he should be angry, you know, like no father will be happy to find out that their 18-year-old is dating someone who's old as him. And it is said that back then Umusa was working in a municipality, and Umusa was also a sort of a pastor or something, I don't know, but he was sort of something as well, and he was well respected within Mzumbe, you know. So for him to be actually dating an 18-year-old was something kind of you know. So it is alleged again, guys. I'm coming with allegations here. I'm coming with allegations for you, okay? I am a reliable source. I'm coming with allegations, nothing but allegations. It's alleged again that Uthobile's father, as soon as she finds out about a relationship Musa and Uthobile, she went and opened a case against Umusa. So for me, this tells me that probably Uthobile was 16, because why would you open a case if your child is old enough, like probably 18 or 19? So this tells me that when this whole shenanigans started, Thobile was probably 16. So guys, I don't know, because Umusa did not want to comment further. And this makes me wonder why Umusa was very much calculative in what he is saying and not saying. He did not want to comment further about Khumalo having a child or not having a child, okay? It makes me wonder why. Is it because Ubaba Khumalo had a case against him? And also, sifisukwazi even till today, what happened about a case Musa, or rather Kabab Khumalo ayivulele Umusa. Wema allegedly. This is alleged. Okay, alleged news. Alleged. So yeah, guys. Anyway, when it comes to Uthobile, guys, I feel like who cares if she was a problematic child growing up? Like, who cares? Okay, she was probably going through adolescence. And it happens to everyone, you know, adolescence is adolescence. But now she is a millionaire. Now she is a well-respected, moneyed woman. And that's all that matters. She is a moneyed woman, well-respected. And those people who are talking BS about her online, writing on Facebook, they could be Thobile's employee. Like, they could be Thobile's employee. They could be in her payroll. You get? And that's all that matters. And it does not matter how you started life. It matters how you're going to end, you know? So I feel like most people are being hard on Uthobile, especially on the internet. Also, I do feel like Uthobile brought it onto herself. She did kind of provoke Umaxele, because it was unnecessary for Uthobile to bring the conversation that she had with Umaxele in confidential. And she brought it in to us, you know, on national TV, to the camera. And the way also she narrated it, she made it to be about herself. When Umaxele is explaining, the whole conversation was never about Uthobile, was about herself. Umaxele, when you came and joined in Mzumbe, Ubabake bragged to me, you know. So it happens, but nakhona the whole thing was not directed to Uthobile. It was directed Umaxele. You know, it was more about Umaxele than it was about Uthobile. Anyways, guys, if someone is alleging that Khumalo was pregnant twice in high school. So sifisukwazi ke ukuthi Iphi ingane, where is the child? Like, I want to know where is the child. Also, guys, ubabakhe, you know, babakhe uyena umuntu omubi la. Like, honestly, uEthel King uyena umuntu omubi. He is definitely the common denominator. He's the one owatshela uMaxele ukuthi he will never marry anyone from, or rather anyone who has a child, you know. That's what he said, that's the promise that he made to Umaxele, right? But ubabakhe had Umasaule as a second wife, and ubabakhe married Umasaule, you know. And by that time, ubabakhe had Umusa had his own baby mama, which was Umayeni at the time. So this means Umusa left his own baby mama, which was Umayeni, and married someone else's baby mama, which was Umasaule. And he was out here making promises. He was out here making promises to Umaxele. Umaxele is still holding on to those things that she was told by ubabakhe. So clearly, omubi lana ubabakhe. Babakhe is the liar. Babakhe, like, you are a liar. Because way before Uthobile and Umangwabe joined in the family, like way before they joined in the family, omuntu omubi lana ubabakhe. Because why would you lie to your wife? And he is a liar. He has been lying. He promised to Thobile ukuthi he will never marry someone from Mzumbe. Yeah, look at ubabakhe right now. Look at ubabakhe going straight to Mzumbe KwaMadlala to marry someone from KwaMadlala. Sana ziyakhala, ziyalila. I cannot wait for season 10 because clearly Khumalo needs to come back and defend herself, defend her honor in season 10 and tell us ukuthi mama what happened. You know, it would be so sad if Khumalo does have a living child and she never talks about her living child. I think that will be so sad. So I think it's best it would be best if the child is normal, maybe, perhaps. Or Sana, not that I'm wishing that also, but if she does have a living child and she never mentioned her living child, oh Sana, that will be horrible. If Mosamsele were to lose Uthobile Khumalo, it's a big loss. It's a big loss, rather. It's a big loss from his side. He had one good wife there. Like, he had one great wife.
Okay, guys, ngiyakowisha because of umgo is part of my life. Engikoshisa kakhulu ke namhlanje. Ukuthi umpilo akabuyi namhlanje emsebenzini. Uzolala ka colleague kwakhe ngoba ku closer to la azobe besebenzela khona. Hambe nesikhwama. Futhi manje seyimina ngamdrop emsebenzini. Sifika nini la khona i-teenager seyilala kamngani wayo sondezela umsebenzi. I was never ready for ukukhula komntwana. Ngeke Jesus ngicabanga ukuyomlanda mayiqeda ukusebenza. Because usakafuni kungi-inconvenience. Khuluma isingisi. But kenze njani? Kaze ngagowisha. Uyazi ngiyabona usuku liyahamba impela liyakhuphuka ilanga liyela ngokuyozilahla kunina kodwa I'm like umntanami akabuyi hamba nesikhwama. Guys, kenze njani? Ngeke kaze ngagowa ngimcade. Jesus.
Guys, last week's episode ended with Uma Khumalo speaking to a clinical psychologist, Usis Nonto. Now, guys, I must say that the way Uma Khumalo is hurt by this number 5, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I'm failing to understand really where is she coming from. I understand. And also, ama reasons agawabengayo for me are just, I don't know, they are just so weak. As someone who was really in support of Indaba number 5 and who understood Indaba number 5 for so many years. Yes, I get that she's saying Umusa broke your promise, but Umusa usexolisile yindaba kungasadlulwa ke kuleyo ndaba, because she's the one wife who stood beside her husband and said, listen, I understand Indaba number 5. Now she comes back, she's like, oh, I was hurt by the song, I was hurt by this. Ma'am, please, we ain't your children. If you don't want to tell us really what's bothering you, rather don't be on the reality TV show, honestly, you know. And the fact that she kept on crying, the last time that she met up with Musamseleku, their meeting really didn't end well. She also said it was Lalela Musa, oh, it seems like me and you will never see eye to eye, and it is what it is. Let's end this meeting. Again, with Usis Nonto, she's crying. She feels like she's touched by something, or she's truly hurt by something, or betrayed even. And I get where she comes, like Umusa maybe kind of belittled her and said, listen, whatever that you're contributing to what this family, it's nothing, because it's just by the way. That's being belittled. I get where is she coming from with that statement. However, when she narrates herself and says she is mad at Umusa because of Indaba number 5, that's where I'm failing to understand her. That way I do not get her. Like, I just don't. I am so sorry, Makums. I just do not get you. I'm failing to understand where you're coming from with everything else. Like, I'm just failing to understand. So, yeah, that's what we're going to see today is Makhumalo picking up where she left off with Usis Nonto, talking about her marriage and her relationship with the other sister wives. I must say that I find it very funny that when they walked in, again, it seems like they are also going to have a family section. When they walked in, you know, they announced themselves as Istimela Sasemzombe. That's the term that was highly used by Umaxele, referring that Yena herself, Ageko Estenjini, and abantu abasesithenjini Istimela Sasemzombe. So now that Istimela Sasemzombe is no longer Istimela Sasemzombe, since every wife have their own house now, they just feel like they should be spicy, you know. And oh, Sana Lwami, I'm just like, I'm like, hey, Sanalwami. I don't know. Hey, I do not know what to say. But honestly speaking, I did say this on my last review that I don't see this family walking out of this family retreats stronger and united, So honestly, the purpose, maybe if the purpose of this family retreats is to make sure that the family becomes stronger and united again, I'm sorry, I just don't see it happening. I'm so sorry, but I do not see it happening whatsoever. I honestly do not see this family saying, oh, now we are working out of the family retreats, we are stronger and united and we shall stick together. Because they are still throwing jabs at each other. They are in a family retreat where they are supposed to be fixing things and see the way forward. How can they move forward as a family? But they are throwing jabs at each other. They are like seriously throwing jabs at each other. Things like, oh, it's nasistimela sasemzumbe. You know what I mean? Like, it's unnecessary. It is unnecessary, especially because uMacele Shembandla did ask ukuthi yazini ngifuna ukwazi kubafazi bangamusa ukuthi why kungathi mina I'm a common denominator, I'm enemy number one, okay? And they failed to explain their story. Their story was whatever that was being said by their husband. So the fact that they would want to rekindle their relationship, friendship through uMacele, it's quite annoying, honestly, I must say. For me, I find it a bit annoying. Guys, honestly, I cannot stop admiring Makhumalo's beauty and intelligence. And to think that Ubabake, Uetheli King, really is about to lose out on this woman, because honestly we do not know, but I do know that Makhumalo did say that she will announce, or she will tell us after the 15th of June if she and Mseleko are still married. But anyway, let's get into this review. So the family is still in the family retreats. Honestly speaking, I don't know if anything good will come out of this family retreats, really, because Mayeni doesn't want to say anything. She goes like, no, I'm fine. I really don't need this therapy. I think if there is one person who needs a therapy, it is Umusa himself. So you can just tell, Uguti, honestly, I don't see this family coming out stronger after this family retreats. Also, when Umayeni was asked how is the relationship, or how is the relationship between her and the other wives, she does say, Uguti, for many years they've not been getting along. So probably it won't be something that will be an easy fix. It won't be fixed in one day. It will probably take time. And yeah, guys, honestly, I don't know, guys, like these people, these 4 wives, were they ever happy just themselves, without number 5, because sometimes I ask myself, what broke this family? Why are they here? As it's only because of number 5, or they are having wounds that probably we don't know about. Because like things just broke because of number 5, or as soon as Umusa decided to take number 5, he lost support in Umakhumalo especially, and he also fell ill, and we can really tell this family is strained, seriously strained. I must say that I don't like the fact that it seems like the other 3 are ganging up on uMacele. Like, really, guys, uMacele accepted her man as a polygamist way back, okay? Really, she couldn't stand against number 5 because she has been accepting that her man is a polygamist. So I don't understand why the other 3 is against uMacele. Even when she calls Umusa Uetheli King, why, okay? And you will hear giggles there and there, and I'm just like, I'm not happy about this. Like, really, I'm not happy about these giggles, because why are they giggling? Like, why are they giggling? Okay, why are they talking about Ethel King? I mean, if Musa is Macele's Ethel King, so this means it's none of our business, you know. It's none of our business and it's none of their business, you know. No one should giggle over that. Like, no one should giggle over Musa being Macele's Ethel King, if you get what I'm trying to say. We'll also see Umakhumalo's session with a therapist, and Umakhumalo will say that, you know, she feels